Hello viewers, this is Simir, the Wizard Guy. Today we are going to look at how to insert blank pages in our document. By default, when you create a new document, it comes with only one page, just the way you are seeing here. I'm going to create a new document and you see how the document is going to appear. So let me close this. After closing, we said you go to Start, then you type the application you want, which is Word. You can see it has come here. Then you just click on Word. After clicking on Word, you wait for it to load. So after loading, we click on blank page. So here we have our document. When you scroll down, you can see we only have one page. We only have one page, and when you check on the status bar down there, we have page 1 of 1. It means we only have one page. So how do you insert another blank page? You come to Insert and click on Blank Page. Under Pages, we have Blank Page. Click on Blank Page. A new page will be inserted. As you can see, we have now two pages. We have this one and the other one. Even now, status bar has changed. Now, assuming you have typed some work and you want to insert another page, how do you do it? So here I have some text, the way you are seeing, it has been typed. Now I'm going to insert another page just after this text here. After this text, you come to the end of the sentence where you have put a full stop. You press your enter key to create a new line or to create a new paragraph. Then you move to Insert Blank Page. So a new page will be inserted. Make sure this cursor is blinking in a new position or in a blank space. If it is within the document like this, then when you insert a new blank page, it will divide your work into two. It will move the other part to another page. So your cursor is blinking in a blank space. Okay? So that's how you insert new blank pages in your document. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.